Hey guys, Crypto Dice here with the video number 2 on core compounding. If you do not know what core compounding is, it's basically a very easy and simple strategy that anybody can use in their advantage. Um, you can use a few platforms in order to do core compounding. I've seen people use Coinbase. I am using Coinbase. Uh, you can use Coinbase Pro, and I even saw some people use the Cash app. Basically, you want to have one of the platforms where you can buy and sell Bitcoin instantly. Uh, with that being said, let's go into core compounding. Uh, it's a very easy strategy. You can set your core compounding number whatever you like it to be. I've seen people start with $100. I've seen people start with $500. I've seen people start with $5,000. We are doing core compounding in Bitcoin. There's also core compounding that can be done in stocks. But for this video, we are demonstrating in Bitcoin. In my previous video on core compounding, I demonstrated where I actually sold some Bitcoin uh, into cash. So, what is core compounding? Core compounding is basically a dollar amount that you set, and anytime that you go over that dollar amount, you sell Bitcoin into cash. Anytime that you fall below that number, you buy from that cash and you compound it. My core number is $2,100. Um, in my last video, I was at 2288, so I sold $188 worth of Bitcoin to bring it back to $2,100. Now that Bitcoin price fell, I'm going to use whatever money I have here to bring it back to $2,100. By you doing this, you're basically compounding your money. It's basically free money. Um, for this instance, I'll buy some Bitcoin and we'll bring this back to my $2,100. Uh, it's a very easy strategy, very simple, and very little risk. If you're not a person that is not going to any platforms, if you're not a person that is not trading, uh, some people are afraid to trade, but that's perfectly fine. This strategy can be helpful. Basically, you're taking advantage of the market movement. Anytime the Bitcoin goes up, you're selling. Anytime the Bitcoin goes down, you're buying. So, buying low, selling high. So, easy strategy, like I said, Coinbase Pro, whichever one you prefer. Uh, just wanna remind you on Coinbase Pro, the fees are slightly better than on the actual Coinbase. Uh, if you don't know what Coinbase Pro is, it's basically a sister platform of original Coinbase, and you can use the same logins that you use for your Coinbase account to log into Coinbase Pro. A lot of people don't know where to start. I'll explain to you really easy. Let's say you have $2,500 worth of Bitcoin. What you want to do from the get go, you want to sell $500 of Bitcoin and bring your core number, let's say, to 2,000. So you, right from the beginning, you have $500 in cash, and $2,000 will be your core number. So, like I said earlier, anytime that core number goes up, let's say to 2,100, you're gonna sell $100 more into the cash part to bring it back to 2,000. Anytime it falls below 2,000, you're gonna use this money from your cash and buy some more Bitcoin. strategy works very well. It's you'll be surprised how much money you can make. As we all know, the market moves up and down. That's all it does. Um, just bear in mind, the smaller the number that you have, the smaller the core number you have, and you start with it, the less you're gonna earn, obviously, because you need the market to move a lot in order for you to uh, make some profit calculating the fees. Uh, my core number is $2,100. Like I said in the last video, I sold $188 worth of Bitcoin to bring it back to 2,100. And now, as we see, the Bitcoin price is under 7,000 again, uh, which is roughly 4 to 5%. I usually take advantage of 4 to 5% market movements, uh, which gives me anywhere from 100 to 180, $190 to buy or sell. So in this instance, we need to buy $108 of Bitcoin to bring this back to $2,100. So let's do that. Don't mind my chart being set up like this. You can't see up here, but basically this is my Coinbase account. I have it set up like this because there's my information here in the corner, which I don't want it to be shared. But basically you have portfolio right here, prices right here, and then trade. So you hit on the trade, you hit buy, and as we see right here, my number, so as the market moves, this number changes. So let's say 107, let's go with $108 to bring this back to $2,100, and I'm using my cash balance. So preview buy, I'm buying it at this price right here, $69.58, and as you can see, $3 fee. I am okay with the $3 fee. Some people, like I said, prefer Coinbase Pro because the fees are much less than that. But we'll go ahead and buy this for demonstrating this video. So, and it's basically just confirming that it's done, and we can go back here, and as we can see, we brought it from the cash balance. We brought my core number back to, well, there we go, almost 2,100. I should have done $2-3 more because as we were sitting here and talking, the market is moving. So like I said, a very easy strategy. This is part 2 of the video. Basically, you're compounding your earnings, and you do not want to pay attention to the Bitcoin amount. All your attention should be on the dollar amount. Your core number should be in dollar amount. So whatever that number is for you, set it, try it, and you'll be surprised. I seen a lot of people pay their bills with it. I see a lot of people take the cash out. I see people turning few grand into $4,000. Let's say. This is video 2. This is less than a week. So, like I said, started with $2,100. I'm already $373 in cash and still maintaining my $2,100. I'll keep doing some more videos, and we'll see in about a month's time where this can get us. But like I said, you'll be surprised how fast you can compound your earnings into more earnings. Market volatility, it happens. It's out there. All it does, it moves up and down, and as we can see right here, 6%. This is perfect to do core compounding. And other thing, like I mentioned earlier, it all depends what number you're starting with. If you start with a small number, obviously you're gonna be earning a small number. But if you start with a bigger number, obviously it's gonna be bigger. You'll be buying a few $100s at a time and selling a few $100s at a time. So yeah, core compounding, really easy, real simple strategy. Um, a lot of people would ask, what would be the risk with this? Well, basically, you're holding, if you're a hodler, if you're holding Bitcoin in your wallet, why not put it in, let's say you're holding on Coinbase, you just, you know, not doing anything with it. You're not taking advantage of the price fluctuations. So, uh, this way, the risk is basically if the platform goes down, Coinbase, then you would lose your money. But that's not likely. Coinbase has been around for a long while now. So yeah, use the strategy. See if it's something that you want to do. I like I said, I've seen a lot of people do it. I've been doing it for quite some time now, and I've seen it from Oracle. Shout out to him. He's the one that came out with this strategy, and I never made videos about it, but you'll be surprised how much compounding you can do. Okay. Uh, like I said, we'll keep you updated with this. We'll go. This is video 2 of core compounding, but we'll uh, we'll see in about months time where we end up. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps somebody out there. Like I said, there's a lot of people that are afraid to go into trading. Trading is a little bit tricky if you do not know what you're doing, but I do some of both. So look it up, like the video, and I'll keep you updated on this $2,100, and we'll see how far we get in about a month. Alright, thanks you guys.